Mama,
Yes.
I want to do a riddle with you.
Okay.
Hello, friend. This is Mashal Bilal. I'm going to tell a riddle to my mama. Mama, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. Who am I? I'm gray. Who am I? I'm gray.
Oh. You
And sometimes I'm
are.
white. Sometimes I'm white. But that's not the part of the riddle.
Okay. 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 You are this bowl. If-
I am not silver gray.
Okay. Are you living being?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you animal?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Are you animal?
Yes.
Okay. Are you bird?
No.
Okay.
I said I'm a gravity animal.
Okay.
I can't fly.
Okay. Are you grass-fed animal or meat?
Say I'm an omnivore or herbivore, okay?
Okay. But I don't know animal or herbivore. It is a grass-fed animal or meat. Okay. Do you have 4 legs?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have tail?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have thorns? Horns?
Horns. And sometimes I have horns.
But do you have horns?
Male. If I'm a male, I have horns. If I'm a female, I don't.
Oh, this is a really difficult riddle.
Yeah.
Do you have stripes on your body?
No, I don't.
Oh my god. You are donkey?
I am not a donkey.
Oh my god. Okay, how many colors do you have?
I'm sometimes white and sometimes gray.
Sometime white and sometime grey.
Yeah.
Okay,
And if I'm white, I am a fighter animal. I'm a fighter animal. If I am not, then I'm just only a normal elephant.
You are elephant.
What?
Oh my god, you are elephant.
I said elephant. I said elephant.
Oh my god, I trick you.
I said
Mama
elephant.
trick you, see?
No, I didn't trick myself. I didn't trick myself. Yeah.
Why you ladies are laughing?
She asked me riddle and I trick her.
I accidentally said elephant.
Oh, you accidentally told her.
Yeah, I accidentally said elephant.
Oh no. Oh, no.
Okay,
But I-
okay.